Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the math class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at your home. Dear friends, in last class we have done some question based on cylinder, and in today's class I am going to discuss some other question, important question of cylinder of exercise 20b of your book. Okay. So dear friends, first question of today's class is question number 1. Question number 1 is a rectangular paper of width 14 centimeter is rolled along its width. A cylinder of radius 20 centimeter is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. What is the actual meaning of this question? A rectangular paper. A rectangular paper, and the width of this paper is 14 centimeter, is rolled along its width, and a cylinder of radius 20 centimeter is formed. यानी जब इसको ऐसे रोल किया गया like this, बटे इससे कन्वर्ट होकर मिला हुआ cylinder like this, and the radius of this small cylinder is 20 centimeter, and the height is equal to width 14 centimeter. So dear students, for this cylinder, radius is 20 centimeter and height is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, so find the volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? Volume is equal to pi r square h. This is the volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Value of pi is 22.7 and value of r is 14 into 14 and height is 20 centimeter of this cylinder. 7 to the 40, 22 to the 44 into 14 to the 28. So final answer, when we multiply 44 and 280, we get answer 17,600 centimeter cube. 17,600 centimeter is the volume for this cylinder. Volume of for this cylinder. So dear friends, question क्या था? A rectangular paper of width 14 centimeter is rolled along its width. इस तरीके से इसको क्या किया गया? मूव किया गया, रोल किया गया. And cylinder of radius 20 is formed. तो उससे क्या बना बेटा? एक cylinder बना 20 centimeter radius. So radius for this question is 20 centimeter and height is equal to width of this paper 14 centimeter. Putting the values of radius and value of height in formula of volume, so we get the answer after calculation 17,600 centimeter. Now question number 2. From your exercise 20b, this is the most important question. Find the cost of painting 15 cylindrical pillars. We have 15 cylindrical pillars. At rupees 250 per square meter. This is the rate. We have to rate is equal to rupees 2.50 per square meter. If the diameter and height of each pillar are, diameter is equal to 48 centimeter and height is equal to 7 meter. बेटा इसने पूछा कि आपसे फाइंड द कोस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग ऑफ 15 सिलेंड्रिकल पिलर्स। तो हमें क्या करना है, 15 सिलेंड्रिकल पिलर्स पर पेंटिंग करनी है, ठीक है। तो वी हैव गिवन diameter, so diameter is 48 centimeter, convert centimeter into meter because rate we have given in meter square per meter square, so 48 is equal to 48 upon 100 is equal to 0.48 centimeter, sorry meter. So radius is equal to always half of diameter. So radius is equal to 0.48 upon 2 is equal to 0.24 meter. For this question, we will use radius is 0.24 meters and height is 7 meters. So dear friends, in this question, we will find curved surface area of one cylinder. For painting, curved surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area for cylinder? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH is the curved surface area for cylinder. So dear students, put in the value of R and H and find the value. 2 into 22 upon 7 into the radius is 0.22. 0.24. So 2 pi R. Value of H we have given 7. 7 cross 7. 22 to the 44 into 0.24. So final answer, when we multiply 44 and 0.24, we get 10.56 meter square. 10.56 meter square. This is the curved surface area for one cylinder only. One cylindrical pillar only. Okay. So dear students, curved surface area of 15 pillars is equal to number of pillars into curved surface area. Number of pillars into curved surface area of one cylinder, 10.56. So final answer 50 into 10.56 is equal to 158.4 meter square. 158.4 meter square. This is the curved surface area of 15 pillars. So dear friends, इसमें बोला था find the total cost. So total cost always equal to total area into rate. So area, total area for this question 158.4 into the rate. So rate we have given in this question 2.50 per meter square. So area, total area of 15 cylinder, cylindrical 158.4. So 158.4 into 2.50. So final answer for this question is P96. And this is rupees. This is final answer. So final answer for this question is P96. What this question हमने किया है? We have given in this question a cylindrical pillar which have radius 48 diameter 48 centimeter and height is 7 meter and the rate of painting 2.50 per meter per square meter. Okay. So हमने सबसे पहले कर्व सरफेस एरिया फाइंड की। तो कर्व सरफेस एरिया 2 pi RH, putting the value of R and H, find the value. So value of curve surface is 10.56 meter square, and we have given 15 pillars. So 15 into area of one curve surface area, one cylinder. The final area is 158.4 meters. We have given rate 2.50 per meter square. To multiply rate into area, we get the answer 396 rupees. So 396 rupees the total cost for painting on a 15 cylindrical pillar. Okay. Now next question. Question number 3 from exercise 20b. A solid cube of metal, each whose side is measure 2.2 centimeter, is melted to form a cylindrical wire of radius 1 millimeter. Find the length of the wire so obtained. So in this question we have given a cube of metal. This is a cube of metal whose size is 2.2 centimeter each, and melted and recast into a wire like this. Wire is a cylindrical shape. Radius is 1 millimeter. Radius of wire is 1 millimeter. इसने बोला है find the length. What is the length of wire? What will be the length of this wire? So dear students, we have given 4 cube side is equal to 2.2 centimeter. So what is the volume? Find the volume. Volume is equal to side cube 2.2. 2.2 cube is equal to 10.6 over 8 centimeter cube. This is the volume. This is the volume of this cube. तो अब इसको बेटा कन्वर्ट कर दिया इन अ वायर. 4 वायर radius is equal to 1 millimeter. Convert millimeter into centimeter divided by 100. Answer is 0.1 centimeter. And then we have not given. So find the volume for wire. This is the wire. This wire is in cylindrical shape. Pi r square L h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi 22.7 r square h. Value of r 0.1 square and h consider as L. So this is equation number first and this is equation number 10. Equation number first from volume of tube and equation number 19 from volume of cylindrical wire. So dear students, last step for this question. From equation first and second. From equation first and second, this is volume and this is also volume. Volume is equal to volume. Why? क्योंकि बेटा हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो जितना वॉल्यूम इसका होगा उतना ही वॉल्यूम सिलेंड्रिकल वायर का होगा. From equation number first and from equation number second, we get 22/7 into 0.1 square 0.0 into L equal to volume of cube 10.6 648 centimeter cube. So dear students, find the value of L by transposing method. 10 into 6, 10.648 into 7, 7 to multiply 11, divided by 22 into 0.0. बेटा जब इसको हम सोल्व करते हैं तो फाइनल आंसर आपके पास मिलता है 338.7 सेंटीमीटर अप्रोक्स 339 centimeter. This is the approximately approx length of wire 339 centimeter. तो बेटा यहाँ से आप इस तरीके से लेंथ फाइंड कर सकते हैं. वॉल्यूम ऑफ tube and is equal to volume of cylinder. Okay, cylindrical. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 from exercise 20. A road roller takes 75 complete revolution. Question number 4. A road roller takes 50 complete revolution to move once over to another road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the roller is 24 centimeter. Diameter 24 centimeter and its length 1 meter. We have a roller like this, like cylindrical shape. Okay, so diameter of the roller is 84. Diameter we have to 84, and its length is 1 meter. Length is 1 meter. So diameter we have given 84 centimeter. So radius will be 84 by 2 equal to 42 centimeter, and height or length we have given 1 meter. So dear students, क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया हमसे, उसने बोला है फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोड. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोड. और टोटल कितना कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन लगा है 750. तो एरिया कवर बाय रोड रोलर इन 1 revolution is equal to per surface area of cylinder. I repeat, area of covered by road roller in 1 revolution is equal to curve surface area of cylinder. So curve surface area is 2 pi RH. Okay, and total area is equal to number of revolution into area covered by road roller in 1 revolution, 2 pi r. So dear students, what is the value of n number of revolution and value of 2 pi RH. So total area is equal to 10. 750 into 2, value 522.7, and value of R and H. So radius in given centimeter and height is given, length of roller is given in meter. So convert this radius into meter divided by 100. So answer is 0.42 meter. Okay. So putting the value of radius and height. Radius is 0.4 meter and height is 1 meter. So 750 into 2, 1500 into 22, and 7 6 are 0.06, 0.06. After multiply 1500 into 22 into 0.06, you will get answer is 1980 meter square. The answer is 1980 meter square. So dear friends, total area of the road will be 1980 meter square. तो total area होगा वो होगा 1980 meter square. This is the total area of road. Okay. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या दिया है? सरफेस एरिया निकाला और उसको 750 में हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया। 750 मल्टीप्लाई इसलिए किया है क्योंकि टोटल नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन था 750। तो एरिया कवर बाय road roller is equal to percentage area of the road roller, and the road roller is the shape of cylinder. Okay. Next question is the last question for this class. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Question number 5. A rectangular piece of paper 22 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We have given a paper 22 centimeter is length and 6 centimeter is breadth. Is folding without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 6 centimeter. उसने बोला है कि हमने इसको क्या किया, फोल्ड किया विदाउट ओवरलैपिंग। विदाउट ओवरलैपिंग का मतलब क्या होता है कि इस पे एक दूसरे पे इसको ओवरलैप नहीं किया। हमारे पास इस तरीके से आपका एक सिलेंडर बना लाइक दिस। Folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 6 centimeter, and height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for volume of the cylinder? Pi r square. So value of pi is 22.7, and value of r we have not given, and value of h is 6 centimeter because height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. So dear students, what was the length of this paper? 22. तो जब आप इसको ऐसे फोल्ड कर रहे हैं, this circumference is equal to length of this paper. Okay, length of this paper is equal to circumference of the cylinder. Circumference of cylinder is equal to length of paper. Circumference is equal to 2 by r. Length of paper is 22. R is equal to 22 upon 2 pi value of pi 22 upon 7. 2 into 22 upon 7. 22 cancel out, so answer is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is the radius for this question. So for this question, we will use radius 7 by 2 centimeter and height is equal to 6 centimeter. So dear students, find the volume. The volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Value of pi 22.7, value of r 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and value of h is 6 centimeter. So 7 divided 7, 2 11 times, 2 3 the 6. 7 3 21, 11 into 21 is equal to 11 1 11. 23, 231 centimeter. So dear friends, 231 centimeter cube the volume for this cylinder. Okay. So this is the last question for your today class. You can do exercise 20 on behalf of these questions. So these are very important questions. Okay. In tomorrow class, in next class, we will discuss more important question. Okay. So dear students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.